Hello everyone. Today we'll start with module 1 of chapter 1, food. We already know that food provides us energy for our daily activities and help us in growth and reproduction. And here are the topics we are going to cover under this chapter. But in module 1, we'll study about nutrition, mode of nutrition, photosynthesis and factors affecting photosynthesis. Very first, let's understand what is nutrition. It's a process of obtaining food and its utilization by the body. There are two basic modes of nutrition, autotrophic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. In autotrophic mode of nutrition, organisms make its own food and these organisms are called autotrophs, which is made of two terms. Auto means self and trophs means nourishment. It means autotrophs are self-nourished. They can make their own food from the simple substances present in the environment. These simple substances are carbon dioxide present in air, water present in soil. In the presence of chlorophyll, food is made by the process of photosynthesis. And the examples of green plants and blue-green algae. On the other hand, in heterotrophic nutrition, organisms cannot make their food and they depend on others to obtain the nourishment. Parasitic plants derive food from the body of host, while saprophytic from the dead and decaying matter. In symbiotic relationship, two organisms work together for their mutual benefit, while insectivorous plants feed upon insects. Depending upon the eating habit, the heterotrophs are of three types: herbivore, plant eater, carnivore, meat eater, and omnivore eat both plant and animals. Let's now understand the process of photosynthesis in detail. Here, photo means light and synthesis means putting together, means formation of food by green plant with the help of water, carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight, and chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. So in the presence of light and chlorophyll, carbon dioxide and water, they react together to produce oxygen and food. And here is the chemical equation of photosynthesis where carbon dioxide and water reacts to form glucose and oxygen. There are many factors which affect the rate of photosynthesis. Few external factors are light intensity, it means the strength, which is very important for photosynthesis. If there is slight increase in that intensity, the rate of photosynthesis increases. But at very high intensity, it becomes limiting. Light supplies energy for this process and the rate increases in red and blue regions of visible light. In these regions, chlorophyll absorbs maximum light, or if other color of light is made to fall, the rate decreases. Carbon dioxide is 0.03%, at which the rate is limited, but 0.05% rate increases. And more than this becomes toxic and reduces the rate. Water is essential raw material. Less than 1% of water absorbed by the plant is used in photosynthesis. Poor availability slows down rate, as in this condition stomata remains closed and stop the entry of CO2 in leaves. Temperature is another important factor. The chemical reactions that combine carbon dioxide and water to produce glucose are controlled by enzymes. And slight increase in temperature increases the rate. At very high temperature, chlorophyll breaks down, the rate decreases. Internal factors also affect the rate of photosynthesis. In young leaf, more photosynthesis will take place. More chlorophyll, more photosynthesis. And structure of leaf also affects the rate of photosynthesis. Let's recap what we learned today. Food is the source of energy for living organisms. The organisms which make their food for simple substances present in the environment are called autotrophs. The mode of nutrition in autotrophs is autotrophic. The organisms which cannot make their food and depend on others for their food are called heterotrophs. The mode of nutrition in heterotroph is called heterotrophic. Heterotrophs are of three types: herbivore plant eater, carnivore meat eater, and omnivore plant and meat eater. And the process by which green plants make their food from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight is called photosynthesis. That's all for today. Have a good day ahead.